What about the brother who toils away day after day, working, striving hard at a job that is not fun, a job that is not great, a job that they may not enjoy, a job that doesn't have recognition, a job that won't make them famous online, a job that won't be recognized by people out there? What about the brother who's driving Uber every day to provide for his family, working day in and day out? Is this person not special? Is this person not a person of value? Is this a person not a person who has worth? The reality is, if we strip away what society tells us today, if we strip away the norms of our culture and our environment of today, we would find that if we go back to our fitrah, we go back to our natural inclination, what we naturally know to be good and true and correct, what naturally brings us satisfaction, that brother or that sister who works tirelessly for her family or for his family will find that indeed that is worth more than any type of recognition that they can get from hundreds and thousands and millions of people.